Hello, everyone. This is Shawn Hayes, and welcome back to another episode of Money Control TV, where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to sow it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so if you're watching this video, it's because we're on day 3 of the 4-day series, How to Stay on Top of Your Finances in 2020. And so if you have not watched day 1 and day 2, I definitely will have the link below or above this video. And so let's go ahead and do a recap really quickly. Day 1, we talked about creating a money control center in your home, where you're going to create a space where you designate a space where you're going to manage your bills and really have a plan for your money. Day 2, we talked about creating a board of directors, meaning that certain members should be on your board as far as to handle your finances in 2020, as far as a financial coach, a financial advisor, accountability partner, a mentor, and then a spiritual advisor. So make sure you catch those videos. But today, before we dive in, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe. If you want to go ahead and continue to be the first one to be notified when I upload a wonderful video, go ahead and click that bell notification. And so let's go ahead and dive into that day 4. Day 4 is all about scheduling your financial check-ins, right? And so you got to have a financial check-in. Financial check-in. And so you're going to have 28 financial check-ins in 2020. And what are they? So you're going to have 12 monthly budget check-ins. And so you got to stay on top of this budget thing. You cannot budget 1 month and then be off the next month and then try to jump on the next month. And because you're really going to not get any results, and you definitely are not going to get any data, meaning that your numbers, how are you doing? So you have to be consistent all 12 months. And so that's number 1, is do 12 months of budgeting, consistent budgeting, right? So you can have a monthly budget, a bi-weekly budget, but you have to have that set in place for the rest of 2020, right? The second thing that you need is 12 mid-month check-ins. And so what I have my clients do is every 15th of the month, we do a mid-month check-in every 15th day of the month. And so you're going to need 12 of those. And so this consists in really looking at how are you doing for the month. So if you did your overall budget and you projected $2,000 for the month, and here it is the 15th, you only brought in $400. That means you got to get on your grind the next 15 or 16 days to make sure that you recoup or you earn or generate that extra $1,600 that you're missing so far. Also, when you look in your budget, you can say, you know what, at the beginning of the month, I budget for $120 for gas, and here it is the 15th day of the month, and you already went over $120 of your gas. Where's that money coming from? How are you going to move money around? And so we definitely have to do a mid-month check-in every single month. So you need 12 of those. And then we have 4 quarterly financial check-ins, meaning that every quarter that we really look at the overall blueprint of our finances, meaning that we're going to look at our bank account. We're going to look at our savings account. We're going to even look at our investments, our 401k, and see how we're doing. And so during that quarter, we're going to look at everything. And then we're going to sit down and see, okay, what ways can we improve? Because we can always improve on our money. You know, even with me, I'm always trying to improve my finances, because this is ongoing. This is a lifestyle. This is something that is not on and off. And so again, you're going to need 28 financial check-ins. It might sounds like a lot, but definitely is not. And so if you stay on top of it, so again, you're going to need 12 monthly check-ins. I mean that you're going to budget every month for the year. You're going to have 12 mid-month check-ins. So that means every 15th day of the month, we're going to stop. We're going to look and see how we're doing. Are we on budget? Are we off budget? Are we making or earning the income that we projected at the beginning of the month? What do we need to do to make sure that we bring that money in to cover all our household expenses and our lifestyle? And then we're going to do 4 quarterly. So every quarter, we're sitting down. We're going to sit down with our financial coach, our accountability partner. We're going to look at our bank account. We're going to look at call up our financial advisor and see where we are, in target for, your long-term investments, your retirement, things like that. So you guys, this is day 3. Make sure you join me tomorrow for day 4 on how to stay on top of your budget. On top of your finances in 2020. You guys, stay tuned for tomorrow. I'm rolling out a great opportunity for you to make sure that you really just dominate your finances in 2020. So again, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification button. And don't forget to grab your free gift down below. And so that you will make sure that you are protecting your family by being prepared. Talk to you guys later. Bye.